The news, the National Testing Agency announced that it would allow candidates to retake the CUET undergraduate 2024 exam if grievances related to the answer key flagged by them were found to be genuine. Tanushka is tracking the latest developments for us. She joins us live at the moment. Tanushka, what details can you disclose at the moment?
Right, so the CUET UG examinations results were scheduled to be released on 30th of June, and we must note that 13.4 lakh students across the country appeared for these examinations. Now what the NTA, the National Testing Agency, which has been under the scanner since June 4th regarding various controversies, not just with respect to the CUET UG examinations but even the NEET UG as well as the PG examinations, the UGC NET examinations as well. Now there's something new with respect to the CUET UG examinations, which is that if there are discrepancies or grievances that are raised by the students in the exam conduct, that means in the way in which these exams were conducted, then the National Testing Agency will take it into consideration depending upon their their assessment of these grievances by their experts panel as well, and go through the grievances that have been submitted by these students until June 30th and reconduct their examinations from July 15th until July 19th. So this is only if their grievances are found to be genuine. Now what we don't know is what does NTA mean by genuine. What defines genuine grievances in this situation, and however the NTA has said that they are committed to conducting a re-examination between July 15 to 19th for the group of students or candidates who find that in their centers, in their particular centers, the exam conduct was not right or how it should be in a fair manner, and a different, a fresh set of admit cards will be assigned to these students, and the exam will be conducted in a computer-based mode only. If at all there is to be a re-exam between July 15th and 19th. What we also know is that yesterday NTA released the provisional answer key to the CUET undergraduate examinations, and even to this, the CUET had opened up a portal to for students to challenge the answer key, which means per answer, if any student has a challenge to the question or the answer that has been given by the exam body, then the student can apply to challenge this answer by paying ₹200, which is non-refundable via the website. So again, an expert panel will assess the challenges that have been submitted by the students, and the time period between which these challenges were accepted on the website is until this evening, 5 p.m. this evening. Students can still put up their challenges for the answer key that was released yesterday, and we know is that tomorrow as well this will go on, and for this as well there will be a bracket that has been given for these students to come across with their challenges as well as their grievances.
Tanushka, thank you so much for joining us with all those details.